Alright, so I've gotten this far with the painting. I am really struggling with this bowl because these two eggplants are in a bowl. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to make it look more like a bowl and make the shadows correctly. And so I'm spending a lot of time on that. I don't want to bore you with those tweaks because it could take a couple days, to be honest with you. I'll come back when the bowl is at a satisfactory level where I feel like, okay, I can now share what I'm doing because it makes sense. Yeah, I've gotten it. I mean, I think it's like a third of the way there. I think it definitely needs more shading and tweaking here and there. So I will be back once I've figured that out and I'll show you what I've done. All right, so it's a couple days later. I've been working on this painting for the last hour or so. I tried to define the stems a little bit more. I still have to work on that a little bit. I'm trying to work on the little butts, for lack of a better word, and then the striations inside the eggplant, the light shining on the eggplant. Haven't really perfected that yet. The bowl itself, I worked on that the other day. It's coming together, but still I'm not convinced that it looks like a bowl other than the rim of the bowl, and that's about it. And then maybe the shadow of the bowl on the side here. I mean, it's getting there. It's just it's trying my nerves. But eventually it'll get there. So we're gonna do some time lapse of me working on this, and hopefully you'll start to see something before the sun goes down today and see a big difference from what you see now. I do like the little light on this one. This one I do not like, so maybe I'll work on that as well. All right, you guys, I worked on the bowl a little bit more. It is starting to look a bit better. It's just, I don't know. I know it's going to take me a couple more days to get this to look right, but so far so good. Just got to keep trucking. right, so it's the next day, and I am getting better with defining the bowl a little bit more. I still am kind of struggling with the top part up there. It's kind of starting to look like a bowl, and the shadows in the bowl and everything. I think I need to work on it a little bit more, but I'm kind of pleased. But it's pretty gray outside today, so my light isn't the greatest, and I think I'm just going to work on the background today because it's not going to be as crucial if I don't have the right light, and I can, at least still work on the painting. I'll leave the inside of the bowl. I think I'm pretty happy with the eggplants themselves, but I might tweak a few bits here and there, but I'm gonna work on the background now. All right, I think that's good for today. My little friend keeps trying to paint with me, and he's kind of interfering. So I'm going to let this dry, and then hopefully tomorrow I can finish everything up. I'm pretty happy with the way it's looking so far. I'm still going to tweak this bowl a little bit. I got to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Maybe add a little bit more to the stems, and we'll see. I gotta look at it. I take like 1,000,000 pictures, and then I just study it overnight so that I can figure out what to do the next day. But this is supposed to be a butcher block countertop in the back, and the bowl sitting on the counter. Maybe I can accent the wood grain in the countertop a little bit more too. So we'll see. right, my friends, I believe I am done. I put my signature down there. I might go back and do something. As I say always, you know, sometimes I'll see something later on that I want to change. But for me, I think it's done. It's done. I feel like the bowl is, you know, it looks enough like a bowl. And I am not gonna mess with it too much more. I really am not, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, make a comment below, keep it positive, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to see you back for my next video. Until I see you next time, take care.